Hey, look what I found, buddy.
Wait, what is that?
It's a fidget spinners. You can get fidget spinners and all these kind of awesome, cool stuff. Fidget-auto! Fidget-auto!
Fidget spinners. Call 888-680-8773. Okay. Can you go?
Oh, get the phone.
Okay, Freddy, they might be here already. Oh, hear this guy now.
Fidget spinners. Yeah.
Sir, can you give us those fidget spinners? We ordered them.
Yeah, here. Here, have fidget spinners. Yeah. Yeah. Peace out, wimps.
Well, bye. What a mean guy. Freddy! Freddy! We got our fidget spinners. They're on the floor.
Look, why are they on the floor?
I don't know. This guy, the male guy, just threw them. Look at me. This matches me.
Oh, that's...
Yours is on the ground over there.
Oh, sweet. Son, what are you doing?
Oh, we just ordered some fidget spinners on. We called this guy to sell some fidget spinners, and they're right here. And Freddy's is on the ground right there.
Oh, I want one. Can I have one?
I mean, call your own. The phone number's on that piece of paper right there.
No,
Go.
give me fidget spinner now.
Call it and order one.
You suck. Ugh.
Ow! 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 You hit me! Ow! Ow! Ow!
Where's this piece of poop? I wish you were never born. Bro, that was pretty harsh.
I know.
Okay?
You know what? I'm just gonna go order Dad a gold one. Hold on.
Don't.
Why not?
He should buy his own.
I don't care.
Just...
Ow!
You're worthless. I'm sorry, but you need to calm down. You need anger management, although I'm punching you. I'm gonna get my fidget spinner on the floor.
Go do it. I'm gonna go call. Okay, I'm done. Are you having fun with your fidget spinner?
Die.
What are you doing?
I don't like him.
Well, guess what?
What?
I ordered Dad a fidget spinner.
You stupid!
Hey!
You're dumb!
Ow! Ow! Why did you do that? Ow! Ow!
I had to do it for your own good.
That's it. Take that!
Something, noobs.
Dad, you got your fidget spinner.
Yes, I did. And it's mine.
Cool, I got a red one, see?
It's nice, son. That's very nice.
Wait.
I want mine!
Go away!
Hey, on the floor. Fuck, she was beating me up.
Don't lie. Hey, stop lying. Hey, I did not beat you up. You've been beating me up. Dad, he's lying. He beat me up the first time. He threw me on the ground. He threw me in the grass. And you know what? Better yet, I'm gonna get your fidget spinner.
Don't you dare!
Too late, run! Run!
Bad boy!
Run! Gotta go! Throw it! Oh my God! Throw it! Take that! Hey, Freddy! I just threw your fidget spinner on the concrete. Oh, hi. Hi, Horsey.
Nah.
No, don't eat it! Do not eat it! Spit it out! Spit it out! No, oh my God! Freddy! He's eating your fidget spinner!
Die! Well, it's a good thing I have...
What, Dad? Why did you do that?
He ate your brother's fidget spinner.
I don't care. He didn't really need one. Look how stupid it is. Stop! He's already dead. Look how stupid this thing is. Look how stupid it is. Look. Oh! Oh my God! Oh!
Oh my God!
Dad!
I'll save you!
Dad! I'm stuck under the horse! Get it off! I can't breathe!
Oh, Okay, son. And I thought they smelled bursts on the outside.
Thank you, Dad.
Yeah, son. Yeah, fidget spinners are the life.
I know, Dad. They're so cool.
Family appropriate show. Well, that's all, folks. Hey, I'm supposed to be doing that. No?
You know what? Dad, I'm so tired of you. Your fidget spinners. Oh, God.
Did you end it? No, it's still playing.
It's still going. That's it. I'm sick and tired of you guys. Oh. Guys, this is the end of the video, folks.
No! It's mine. It's my time to shine.
That's it. I'm throwing this fidget spinner, too.
Oh my God, you're the worst son I could ever have. You're the worst. You're the worst.
That's it. That's it, folks. I hope you had a great day.